Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to trade the engulfing bar pattern in trending markets. But before talking about it, I would like to give you a short introduction about the engulfing bar pattern in general, especially for beginners who don't know about this price action signal. The engulfing bar reversal pattern is one of the most important candlestick patterns that traders can use to benefit from when trading financial markets. And as you can see in this illustration or in this example engulfing bar, this candlestick pattern called engulfing bar because the engulfing candle engulfs or overshadow the candle previous. In fact, there are two types of engulfing bar: bearish engulfing bar, as you can see here, and bullish engulfing bar, as you can see here. The bullish engulfing bar occurs in a downtrend, and the bearish engulfing bar occurs in an uptrend. Before talking about the tactics and strategies concerning this price action pattern, I would like to tell you that it's very important to understand the psychology behind the formation of this candlestick pattern. If you understand why the engulfing bar pattern form, you will understand what happens in the markets and you will know what you have to do in different situations. So the engulfing pattern formed to give us useful information. For example, the bullish engulfing bar pattern tells us that sellers are not still in control of the market and buyers will be in charge of the trend. When you are trading this pattern, for example, in a downtrend market, and you spot an engulfing bar pattern in a downtrend market, this is a clear indication that sellers are not still in control of the market and buyers will take control of the market. On the opposite, the bearish engulfing bar tells us that buyers are not still in control of the market and sellers will take control of the market. So you have to be aware of the psychology behind the engulfing bar pattern information, because this will help you better understand what happens in the market, and this will help you make great trading decisions in general. We have two ways to trade engulfing bars, either in trending markets or in sideways markets. In this video, we'll talk about how to trade the engulfing bar pattern in trending markets. Let's see the first example. So let's see this example. Here, for example, we have a downtrend. It is a clear downtrend. So if you can identify the market trend, you will be able to know what you have to do in the market, either to buy the market or sell the market. And in this case, here we have a downtrend, so we will not buy the market, we will think of selling the market. And to trade the engulfing bar pattern in trending markets, if you would like to trade it successfully, you have to focus on three important things, three important factors that will help you better make the best trading decisions trading the engulfing bar pattern. The first factor is the trend. You have to make sure that the trend is either up or down, and you have to find the K level or the level in general. So in this case, we will look for the resistance level, and the third factor is the engulfing bar. You have to make sure that the engulfing bar is really engulfing bar and not another candlestick pattern. So in this example, we have a trending market, as you can see here, and we have this level. This is resistance that becomes support. Pardon, this is a support level that becomes resistance, and here we have an engulfing bar. So if you take this trade, you know you will make money because it is a high probability setup and it has a good risk to reward ratio. So as I said, three important things to take into consideration when trading the engulfing bar pattern in trending markets. So the trend, make sure that the trend is up or down. The level, make sure you're trading the engulfing bar pattern from K support or resistance level, and make sure that the setup is an engulfing bar pattern. I think that it's clear in the trending markets. Let's move to another way to trade the engulfing bar pattern. The second way is to trade the engulfing bar pattern with trend lines. So we will try, or I will try to show you how to use trend lines in combination with engulfing bar pattern to make your trading decision. If you don't know about trend lines, or you don't know how to use trend lines with price action patterns, I wrote a detailed article about how to trade engulfing bars in trending markets and sideways markets. You can find the link below this video. So if you would like to learn more about this price action trading strategy, you can check out the article. It is below this video. So to trade this pattern in trendline markets, you draw your trend line, and as you can see here, we have a pin bar, and here we have an engulfing bar pattern. So you will take your trade from this point, because we have the three factors we talked about. We have the uptrend, we have the level, which is a trend line, and we have the engulfing bar pattern. The third strategy consists of using Fibonacci retracement in combination with the engulfing bar pattern. This strategy is very powerful, and I personally use the 50% and 61% Fibonacci retracement because they are the most powerful Fibonacci levels. So as you can see here in this example, we have a downtrend. This is the beginning of the downtrend. We have this impulsive move. We have a pullback, and if you draw Fibonacci retracement, you will find that there is an engulfing bar that forms between the 50% and 61% Fibonacci retracement, which is a very hot point. So here you can take your trade. If you are newbie, or if you don't know how to use the 50% and 61% Fibonacci retracements in your trading, you can check out my article below the video. I wrote a detailed article about how to trade the engulfing bar pattern with the 21 moving average in trending markets, with the Fibonacci retracement, with trend lines, with supply and demand zones, and I explained in detail how to trade the engulfing bar pattern in sideways markets. So this is what I can say about how to trade the engulfing bar pattern in trending markets. In the next video, I will explain you how to trade the engulfing bar pattern in sideways markets. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my detailed article about how to trade the engulfing bar pattern in trending markets. Thank you very much.